Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. And we have 1 over cosine s squared. So this one we have like this. Next, we know that sine s to the power of 3 we can put into sine s squared sine s. Next, we have the formula in here. So because we have sine s squared, so I will put cosine s squared go to the right. So sine s squared we change by this one. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine s. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to negative sine s ds. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put this one go to the left. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, so we put number 0 cone here, and we have u equals to number 1. When s equals to b over 2, we put b over 2 cone here, and we have u equals to number 0. Number 0 we change by number 1. b over 2 we change by number 0. This one, that is about u squared. This one we have u squared. Sine s ds we change by negative du. So because we have the negative side, so I can swap the top and the bottom together, and we have like this. U squared multiplied by number 1 and u squared. Now we have the formula in here. So we put number 2 cone here, so 2 plus 1 we have number 3. And now we have u to the power of 3 over 3. And the second one, that is about number 5. So I will put the bounds from 0 to number 1. And now we have like this. So we calculate this one, and we have number 2 over 15. This is the end. Thank you for watching. This is the end. Thank you for watching.